Now let's set up the Multimatic 215 Pro for welding the stick process. Please take a few minutes to review important safety information and tips for the Multimatic 215 Pro. Warning: always read and follow all labels and your owner's manual. And remember to wear appropriate safety gear during setup and welding. To assemble your stick stinger, use a screwdriver to remove the outer casing. Feed the stinger cable through the outer casing. Remove protective covering from cable using a welper. Insert shim and cable into stinger. Use Allen wrench to tighten. Reassemble outer casing. While the machine is off, unplug the drive lead from the positive receptacle. Then insert the stick stinger into the positive receptacle. Turn clockwise to tighten. Plug the work lead into the negative receptacle and turn clockwise to tighten. The machine is now set to DCP, or Electrode Positive. Power up your machine. Press the process button and use the left knob to select the stick process. Use the right knob to select your electrode type. Press either knob to make selections. If you are using the Auto Set feature, push the Auto Set button so it is illuminated. Select the electrode size and material thickness using the buttons along the bottom and adjusting using either the right or left knob. Push knob to make selections. Auto Set will offer suggested parameters based on these selections. You can fine-tune the amperage based on your needs. If you prefer to use the manual mode, push the Auto Set button so it is no longer illuminated. You can adjust the dig using the left knob and the amperage using the right knob. As a guide, the parameter chart is located inside the door. Setting up the Multimatic 215 Pro for stick welding is as easy as that.